Hello guys, welcome to first episode of my channel. At first I should mention that don't forget to follow, subscribe us and like us and support us for more videos. The first part is about IP version 4, and we know that it's somehow old version. The new version is IP version 6, but we should know about it. And so many of websites are on IP version 4 right now. So let's start it. As I wrote, IP version 4 is made of 4 parts. Each part is 8 bit, and the number of each part can be between 0 to 255. But what does it mean? Look at the following part. You can see here 0.0.0.0. I said that it's made of 4 parts. As you can see, we have 4 parts of it here. Each part separate with one full stop or dot. And the next part, I said that each part can be between 0 to 255. Look at this here, 0. After that, we have 255, 0, 255, 0, 255, and the last part, 0, 255. Each part is 8 byte. So in general, IP version 4 is 32 bits. And what does it mean? It means that we have 2 power of 32 IPs, of course version 4. We have 2 power 32 IP in the world. So let's see some examples of IPs. Look at here, 192.168.1.1. Is it famous for you? Do you know about this IP? Of course, is IPs of modems. The modem's IP is 192.168.1.1. It's a default IP for modems. And what about the next one? I mean this one. 172.16.1.1. It's network IP. I will explain it to you in the next parts of IP version 4. But look at the last one. Last one is IP of a famous website, I mean google.com. 8.8.8.8. Look at the things that I wrote in this picture for you. www.google.com 8.8.8.8. As I should mention that each website has its own special ID. I mean, this ID is only for google.com. So another website can't use this IP address. Instead of it refers to Google. I mean, the Google let them to use it. Okay, when we write a website name, for example, google.com, we actually go to its IP. I mean, that 48. So how the system can understand that this site name or this IP is for Google? Of course, with something, some protocol that we call it DNS. You all, I think, know about DNS, especially the gamers. I will explain the DNS for you in the next sessions, and I will explain more about IP version 4 in next session. But I want to say something about IP address. As you know, when you want to find a strange or unknown house, you can use we can say post address. What is post address? With post address, you know that house in which country is it, and after that you know in which city is it. It is sorry, and which neighbor it is. So IP is like that. IP it's somehow we can it's like uh, post address. So I will explain more for you about IP address in next part. Don't forget to like and subscribe us and support us for more videos. And as I said, it's for beginners, it's not for professionals. And when you see this, I think you gain some general knowledge about the IP addresses. Thank you and goodbye.